let's see if I can get this rope through the sewing machine. Hi guys, welcome to Hampton, your house. It's great to have you here. My name is Belle and this channel is all about bringing the coastal Hamptons vibe to your house, one DIY at a time. So I would love for you to subscribe if that sounds like your thing. And hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything new. Today I have a really fun DIY for you. I'm going to make a cushion out of some tea towels I got from Kmart a few weeks ago. And then we're going to attach some circles of cotton rope to the front in the shape of a life ring. Similar to the cushions in the master bedroom of the display home tour I did recently, which I'll link for you below so you can see what I mean. If you're making your own along with me, you can follow this method for making a cushion cover, or follow the standard method without edging in my other cushion cover DIY video, which will also be linked below. Or you could even buy a plain cheap cushion cover and follow along with the rope DIY. Let's make some cushions. Lay out one of your tea towels and then place another cushion cover in the size you want on top. Then cut the bottom part off your tea towel, leaving an extra 2 centimeters for seam allowance. Fold the raw edge up about 1/2 centimeter and iron it flat. I went the hacks route and decided to use my hair straightener. Once that's done, fold the same seam over again about 1 centimeter and pin it down and sew it. These particular tea towels are quite small, so the good news is we don't need to cut and rehem any of the other sides. Next, get some wide white cotton ribbon, fold it in half and start pinning it around the seam side of your cushion square so that it hangs over the edge like this. Make sure you don't start right in the corner. When you get to the corner, hold the ribbon on the corner and push the rest of the ribbon down towards it at a right angle. Then you should have 2 sort of little triangle ends to fold over the top of itself like this to make a very neat corner. When you get to the end of the ribbon, trim it, then fold the ends under to make a seam, tuck the other end inside it and pin it down. Now you're ready to sew it on. This piece will be the front of your cushion. Place your square face up on the table, then grab a side plate, place it right in the center and start wrapping your rope around it. I got this cotton rope from Cheap as Chips. Cut the rope so you have 1 full circle and trim the other end if you need to, then pin it down as well as you can. Repeat this process until you have 4 layers of rope pinned down. Put some paper under your work, then grab your glue gun, put a few small dabs of glue under the rope at the 2, 4, 8 and 10 clock positions and press it down. Get some more pins and push them through the sides of the layers of rope, then remove the plate. Sew the raw edges down first, 1 edge at a time and as close together as you can. Then also sew at the 9, 12 and 3 clock positions. If your sewing machine seems to be struggling, you could try just gluing everything down. Just know that it won't be quite as strong. Or you could try some thinner rope. Mine worked just fine though. Next, you need 4 pieces of cotton ribbon with a small seam allowance measured to the width of the 4 pieces of rope to cover the joins and stitching. Sew up the seams of both ends and then stitch the ribbon onto your wreath, carefully tucking in any frayed edges of rope. front of the cushion is now done. Grab your other tea towel and cut and hem the bottom just like we did with the first one, then line it up with the front of the cushion cover, right sides facing out, and pin the bottom edge 5 centimeters on each end. Make sure you can see the white trim poking out, then stitch only those 5 centimeters on each side. This is where the zip will go. Next, pin your zip on the inside, making sure the zipper head is accessible. Now, because we're making this cushion cover with the white edging, you should only sew down each length of the zip, not across the ends, so it doesn't ruin the edging on the outside. Make sure you backstitch each end of the zip several times to make sure it stays in place. Flip the cushion cover back to the outside and pin down the 3 remaining sides, making sure the white edging is visible, then carefully sew all the edges. This is a slightly unconventional cushion cover method because we're sewing on the outside of the cushion, but it's a nice way to get the white edging and it gives it a bit of a different look. And this is our finished cushion cover. Well, I just love the way this cushion turned out. The rope looks really effective and the white edging just really makes the whole cushion stand out. This cushion would look great in a lounge area, a bedroom, or even a nautical themed kids bedroom. I would love to know what you think, so please leave a comment below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye guys.